Away, Majita. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena to watch the first game of the season. So here we're just trying to get the score predictions before we can watch the actual game. So I'm looking for Ama Baga who's gonna give me score prediction. Baga today.
Just a 3 point for 1-0. It's fine.
1-0 is fine for you
for today. Yeah.
And who's gonna score your one goal?
No.
Apolis Murem.
No, I think Nigo Mrem.
Okay, Murem, ne? My brother.
Ayo, Bagania. I am fine and yourself.
We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena.
Yes.
What's your score prediction?
Score prediction, we're gonna beat them 3-0, my brother.
3-0.
3-0, yes.
A nice welcome, Yana, of 3-0.
Bona, my brother, I'm so happy to be here because Pirates is gonna get everything.
Let's kill these people. Who's going to score your 3 goals?
I think Dansen, Botoma, and Makopa.
Away.
Thank you
so much. Enjoy the game, my brother.
You too, brother. It's 2-0.
2-0 to Pirates.
Yeah, it can be Pirates.
Who's going to score your goals?
Tansin.
Yes. Away. And who else?
You know Haaland.
Oh, baby Haaland. Pedersen. Yes. Pedersen. Yes. Away, Skip. How are you?
I'm fine and you, of course.
I'm good.
Just win the Scotty.
Yeah, we're back at Scotty.
We are back. Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates. How?
My brother, what's your score prediction?
Sizobashango 4.
4-0, ne?
4, yeah. If he behavior be right.
Yes.
If there's a bad behavior,
attitude,
we go up. And then
we
you
go
know what?
7,
Mlungu should be score.
Pedersen, ne?
Yeah, it should be welcome us as the supporters.
The king. Who else is going to score your goals?
Makopa is here.
Makopa is here.
Mbutuma also. I'll never
his energy
out in Mbutuma.
Yes.
Again. 10-1.
10-1.
Oh,
police. Make it front of the season.
What's the space?
What's the space?
Milford, if there. Milford. Pass up.
You are right.
Always.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my friend.
My friend. 2-0. Who's going to score your 2 goals?
Mina mfuna police. Mavela call 2 goals.
Baby Haaland. Come on next time. Woo.
Today.
Enjoy the game, Papa.
3:30.
Enjoy the game, my brother.
On the box.
5-0, ne?
5-0.
5-0. Ukwari ukwatile so. Yes. Who's going to score your goals?
Muremi.
Yes.
Botoma 1.
Yes.
Komota wana says.
Utani. Namusi.
Likai.
Namusi
wina bukai.
3-1.
3-1. Ke korang.
Maringi.
Makopa, yes. Muremi.
Yes.
Sibelebele.
Yes, Paka. What's your score prediction, my brother?
First half 3-0.
First half 3-0. If they misbehave, Ubafaka 3 second half. Away, Paka.
Sorry, quiet to create the own goal. Rico Pavaro own goal.
Let them talk.
4 on goals.
My Paka, what's your score prediction today? 5-1, ne?
Yes.
Away.
Mina nibanikeza 3-1.
3-1.
Sure.
Yes. Score prediction.
2-0.
Haaland 2.
Mele babe careful ngoba sizobashaya noma singabashaya 3-1 right.
Okay, 3-1. My brother.
4-0.
2 second half.
After one second half.
4-0, ne? Away.
3-1 Putisa
3-1 after box. Yes. Paka.
I don't know. Whenever I come here, Pirate lose.
What's your score prediction today? My brother Seattle. What?
12-0.
12-0. What's your score prediction?
3-0.
3-0. What's your score prediction?
4-0.
4-0. Yeah, score prediction?
3-0.
3-0. Score prediction?
3-1.
3-1. Score prediction?
3-0.
3-0. Who's going to score your goals?
Pirates. Obvious.
Obvious, ne? What's your score prediction?
2-1.
Who's gonna score?
Dian Hoto and Murem.
Oh, Dion Hoto. What's your score prediction?
0-4.
0-4, ne? To who? To Pirates?
To Pirates.
Yeah. My brother, what's your score prediction?
3-1, my brother.
3-1 to Orlando Pirates. Who's
Orlando.
going to score your goals?
2 goals for Mahupa
Mahopa?
and 1 for Maswanganyi.
Maswanganyi.
Tito Maswanganyi. Tito. Tito. Yes, them young.
Shapa paga. Enda, Marimini. What's your score prediction, my brother?
Ngatsiriko winner 2-0.
2-0, ne? Who's going to score your goals?
Ungakora Tito na Mahu.
Namahopa, ne? Asbashaya paga Juju. Enjoy the game, eh? Thank you. Prediction today.
3-1. Sibakayo 1.
3-1,
Yeah,
ne?
3-1.
One Kaminyana ga 1.
Nekajani.
Who's gonna score your goals?
Aibo, Butuma today is breaking his virginity.
He's
breaking his
He must
virginity.
break his virginity.
Ajali.
Away. My brother,
Sharp member.
le guy.
Sharp member.
Look. Pirates are winning bokae mamotla.
Today, it's about the reason why I get for this today's game. Ke chebile ntwana ye ba re ke Lebone Siema.
Defender ya rona, defender of the
The
season.
defender of the season.
Away.
What I'm looking forward for this boy ke future.
Future, ne?
Ke future ya rona.
He's very good with his passes.
Ntwana ye tlamele dlale bafana.
Mele.
You need to take over.
Yes.
So ke chebile ntwana hore be yona no.
Ke a
It's a
utlwisisa.
leader in the next 2 years.
2 years, ne?
From now.
He's very good. Make no
So
mistake.
if I say overseas, is the next future
Captain ya rona.
captain ya rona.
Yes.
That's why I'm feeling number 6.
Hey.
Today,
Yeah.
I'll feel number ya
Yeah.
as number 6.
Away, my brother.
So that's why I get here today because
To witness it.
to witness ntwana ye.
Yes, ka number
CM.
6. Relebo my
Sharp
brother.
member.
A re bethe team here.
But today I'm looking forward for this today's game.
Ne.
A police. Ke bona a police to shapa 2 goals.
2 goals a
Shapa
police.
Brace.
Yes.
And then I'm looking forward for new players.
Yes. Bo
Yeah.
Matumi.
Matumi. We can't put the pressure.
On the young boy.
On the young boy.
Rabeshete re expect a re be rile mo Fokeng.
No.
Ke a kwishisha my brother.
It can't be. So what are we looking forward just to today's game? Or we win at least ka shapa 4-0.
Ke a kwishisha.
Sharp attacker.
Away.
Sharp
Thank you so
member.
much.
Sharp
Thank you.